What's up, car fam? We are heading to Seattle tomorrow, my first time in Seattle. Flight leaves tomorrow morning. If y'all haven't already, tune into the channel, hit the subscribe button, and like a few of the videos, man. I appreciate all the support going into this year. Gonna see y'all soon. Face Kajay, Scott, never forget that. We are at LAX, heading to Seattle. Like I told you, it's gonna be my first time in Washington, so I'm pretty excited. Hopefully they got some great food over there. I'm gonna check up some food spots and try to hit some of the attractions. We heading out in a few hours at the airport, a little early right now. To kick this trip off, I got another review for y'all. For breakfast, we got chicken, guys. Now the reason why this one's special is because I grew up watching Guy Fieri drives, dinings, and dines like pretty much all my life. See what he got going on. That little chicken fry. I know it's at the airport food, but bacon, egg, cheese sandwich. Food took about like 10-15 minutes, which wasn't bad. So a nice size amount. Total came up to $15. And when they added some sauces, so that added like $1 to it, so $16. But I feel like for that amount at the airport, that's not bad for a breakfast meal with orange juice. First thing we're gonna do is get into the tots. It's crispy. I feel like that makes a great tot as well, but I will give them the season as well seasoned. And we got a bacon, egg, cheese sandwich on a brioche bun. Hopefully the cracked egg is not over well. I know they don't really make them run it. I was expecting a small slider in the sense of like Dave's. When I bought this, I thought I was gonna get a small slider. The sandwich, it's a sandwich. It's a solid bacon, egg, cheese. Now they said inside they got their special comeback sauce. We just gonna try it, how they made it, and then we're gonna throw a couple of the sauces that they gave us. It's cool. I can't deny sandwich flavorful. My egg, as you see, it's a little over. It's a little soggy. I wish the bun was a little more firm, since it's a brioche bun. Because we're gonna throw on there is the avocado crema. I went and seen that they had some of that, so I said, why not throw that on the sandwich? That'd be good to get the morning going. Let me know what y'all do for breakfast. Are y'all more of a burrito, or do y'all go ahead and get the sandwiches? You know, bagels, eggs, croissants. I used to be crazy with bagels. I used to make bacon, egg, cheese, steak, egg, cheese on blueberry bagels. This is with the crema. I like that. Overall, great sandwich. Again, chicken guy. I'm pretty sure they have other locations outside the LAX, but make sure y'all check it out. I told y'all last video about the LED walls, trying to get as much game as we can so we can just start translating these skills as we continue to build the brand so we can make money through content. Now, that's ultimately the goal through this journey and this year is to monetize content. It's been an aspiration for a few years now. We've been creating on stream, we've been creating on vlogs. Now we're trying to monetize that while making money from the clothing brand as well. So this year is definitely a lock-in, focus, and just a lot of doing, you know. Trial and error is the only way we can figure it out. So that's the best way to go about it while we're traveling. I feel like that's definitely gonna be a new perspective in life as well. You know, getting out of my area, just normal routine. I'm excited to continue to visit these different states and try these foods. Hopefully Seattle definitely got a crazy ass bake shop. I know they definitely got something waiting for me there that I'm gonna just show y'all. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Just touched down, car fam. We just made it. 3-hour flight. It felt real long, but we just made it to Seattle. About to hit baggage claim, get my bags, and then we hitting the road. Right now we are in Bellevue, Washington. Hitting our first spot. I don't want to butcher it, but Gyu-Kaku Japanese barbecue. That's what we are hitting tonight. That's gonna be our dinner. I'm gonna make sure to put it right here for y'all. It's supposed to snow the next 4 days, so just preparing for that as well. Right now, Seattle's real cool. We got some noodles, chicken noodles, some miso soup. I'm gonna show y'all the whole thing when we get it. See what I got? This is me, big boy. Huh? All good vibes inside. Again, as far as the ambiance, everybody looked like they were enjoying their food. I got takeout, of course. Once we get back to the hotel, y'all know we gonna show you the damage report. But again, everything smelled great. Food looked great as far as what people were eating, so I'm excited to get into this one. Chicken, garlic noodles. Protein was on point. Just looking at it. So we got some scallions in there. They said red peppers. I wish we had some boiled egg in here or egg yolk. But we got the chicken and we got the garlic noodle. As y'all see, we got a whole bunch of monitors we are gonna put up and push onto the show floor. I went and prepped everything so I know where everything goes. Came in and they already have the LED wall up, which is over there. I'm gonna give y'all a better view on that. Moving accordingly, creating the show as you see right now. The coolest thing about these shows is everyone plays their part. Shout out to foremans, the riggers, the techs, the floor managers.
Licensing reimagined.
It's about evening time, made it through the day, got a good start with the convention. Again, we gotta be done by 9 a.m. tomorrow, so it's gonna be busting down a lot in the morning, early morning for sure. But right now, as you see in the back, we got some empties, pushing empties right now to the 4th floor from the show floor. Just making sure everything is clean and neat. Obviously, we're gonna work on dinner tonight. Gonna give y'all an update with that. Try to get some more food reviews in. I told y'all as I get more comfortable with them, just expect a lot of more food reviews. So just make sure to stay in tune. We are calling it tonight, car fam. It was a long day. Decided to crush the second bowl of garlic noodles from last night. And we just gonna call it wrap. Morning, y'all, we up and at 'em, starting the morning off right. We got a little special here, Voodoo donuts, mango tango. About to try a new flavor. Obviously, been here on the show floor getting things ready. Almost there, but it's gonna be another long night. Working on wiring this booth. As y'all see, we have a 43-inch monitor in front. We got these 2 desks, then we have this Cat 5 cable running below. The client is gonna run whatever laptop computer they got going on in this desk. We just made it, y'all. New York's finest. Told y'all I'm gonna find a sandwich spot, and we arrived. About to get me a vicious Seattle sub sandwich, and I'm gonna show y'all the damn menu is crazy, y'all. You gotta build your own. I went that New York specialty. Chipotle mayonnaise is at the bottom, and Gouda cheese, jalapenos, and honey mustard. Y'all know I go crazy for the honey mustard. We gonna show y'all the sandwich. This is gonna be a good one. I'm excited. Let's get into it, y'all. Not gonna play with it. My man did that. I'm already telling you, panini on point, crust on point, Let's get into that bite, first bite. That's a great first bite. The Gouda, the jalapenos the jalapeno complements the honey mustard. Does not come with pickles, but I threw extra pickles on here. You know. I don't go crazy for sandwiches. This is a great sandwich. Sandwich, sub, panini, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and make sure to check them out. Y'all get into that. I could have subbed lettuce with spinach, and that maybe might have brought the flavors together a little bit. This was delicious. The jalapenos from that sandwich cooked my palate. Another taste test, we're gonna go ahead and try Tim's potato chips. When you go to a sandwich shop, you always know the bomb kettle chips and bomb bread. First time trying Tim's. I've been wanting to try them for a while. I'm big on Zap, so hopefully these are better. We went jalapeno with it. Non-spicy chip.
Music licensing reimagined.
See what they're trying to do with the jalapeno. Great kettle. Crisp, on point. But a little lackluster on seasoning. Let me know your favorite kettle chips in the comments. If it's Zaps, if it's kettle, let me know. I want to try Joe. I'm big on sea salt and vinegar. So I want to check out Joe's chips. I just found out about them. The Tim's was cool. Again, not my personal opinion, not better than Zap. But I like where they're going with it. Finally,
Artlist
the main
IO.
event. Don't play about the desserts. We got Voodoo in front of us. Voodoo donut. Mango Tango donut. I'm curious what the filling's gonna taste like. Obviously, we got a mango donut. I had a mango donut over in Vegas. It was a cronut done right.
Music
I have very high
licensing reimagined.
expectations for this one. This icing is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna taste artificial. Not as bad. For that first bite, the filling ratio was not it at all. I barely even touched that filling yet. But I got a glimpse of it. I like where I'm at. It's a mango donut. You definitely taste the flavor on the back end. Like, when you get into it, it's just a lot of sweetness. Blame the icing for that.
Artlist IO.
On the back end, those flavors, you taste that mango. Overall, it's a cool donut. I would do without this icing. Maybe make it glazed. That might change the flavor profile just a little bit. Voodoo donuts, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all favorite there if y'all been there before. All right, car fam. That was lunch for today. Now I need you to let me know in the comments what you think. You think these dishes were on point? Y'all got any recommendations? Let me know in the comments. The show floor is starting to get active. It's reception time right now. Reception is really gonna be at 6 p.m. I'm here from 6 to 9. Right now I'm chilling though. Sit back in this corner, be on my laptop till 9 p.m. Issues go on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and resolve it, but pretty much just here for now. Got some crab legs, some seared scallop, and some smoked salmon. I had some beef and cheese Pulaski. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I apologize if I butchered that. Day one in the books. We are all set. Day one went smooth, y'all. Smooth day. Took y'all with me. We're gonna be back at it tomorrow. What's up, car fam? Day 2 is kicking off at the show. Yesterday was autopilot. This morning, everyone came inside, probably like 7 a.m. I've been here since 9. Gonna leave around 1:30. Again, it's a smooth show. I'm excited to go ahead and leave because Seattle's been snowing. It's supposed to snow the last 4 days, so ready to get back out of here. Day 2 was a success. Everything was smooth. Convention's pretty much on autopilot. Got strike tomorrow at 3 p.m. Cool few days here. Brought y'all with me. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Yo, it didn't happen again. Y'all see it? It's snowing like crazy. My 4 days here is been snowing every single day. And I would say it probably got like 3 inches today. I'm not rocking with it, y'all. I'm ready to get back to Cali. Last day today at the event strikes today. I'm gonna check back in when we get to the convention center. Got the Voodoo donut, second time in a row, mango donut. It was good, so we spin back on it. Lunch pushing at 11. We got butternut squash salad. We got some yellow rice, some couscous, grilled chicken skewers with chutney. Still got strike at 3 o'clock. Be back at 2:30. We'll show y'all everything. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Quick update, car fam. As y'all see, we got the empties broken down. Over 20 TVs broken down. Quick glimpse of the show floor. As y'all see, they move fast. Show floor is breaking down. A lot of the booths are down.
Music licensing reimagined.
And that's all, folks. We are done. Show has been straight. Everything is packed. Last 2 bins, which are going to be the video walls, LED walls, are going on the truck as we speak. Seattle has been a pleasure. Real cool. I wish we had some better weather in my days here. Ready to get back to Cali. Once we get to Cali, I believe the next stop is Vegas, so make sure y'all stay tuned. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to flood the comments.